Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb Muffet. Today we're making one of the coolest things I've ever made in my little omelet maker. It's going to be an apple pie. It's made from tortillas, a can of the dollar store apple pie filling, and some cheese. It's 3 ingredients. You can add more, like you can add some raisins if you want, or later on add ice cream, but basically the main deal is going to be the tortilla, apple, and the cheese. Oh, I forgot the most important part. You want to oil up your tortilla maker or your omelet maker. I'm using some coconut oil. These are wonderful little gadgets, but after a while they start sticking if you don't oil them. And the top of them, because there's no food on the top usually, it gets hotter than the bottom, so it starts to burn. I knocked over my cowbell. It's too early. We got to see what happens. Now, if you buy these little home cooking gadgets, it's good to get you a little silicone brush and a silicone spatula. I've put too much oil in here. We don't want to fry them. We want to just cook them. So mistake number 1, putting too much oil. But for some of you watching, that's probably not enough oil. I know who I'm talking to. We're going to leave it as it is. Let sleep and oil lie. Martha, come in here. It's that crazy guy. Okay. These were frozen, and now I thawed them out, and they're kind of falling apart just a tiny bit. This is Mother's Made apple. A half a can will do it for this. If you want to make another batch, you can add the second half. Some cinnamon would go well, maybe some pumpkin spice. But actually these apples are very flavorful. I've made this a couple times and I was very surprised at how nice it tasted. Now, the secret ingredient is some sharp cheddar cheese. I said it was going to be 3 ingredients, so I'm not going to add any raisins, but raisins would have been good. Now, we want to put the lid on with the crust on top. And we're going to go this many, 6 minutes. Okay, it's almost 6 minutes. We got the timer on. Let's see, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. That'll do. Turn off the heat. We're going to let it cool off just a bit because we want to do this. We only said 3 ingredients, but we're going to add some ice cream. A la mode. Be back in a couple minutes when it cools off. Okay, I can't wait that long. Turn her upside down. Come on. Oop. Alrighty. Maybe I could get a more dull knife. We could. Oh. And golly. Well, let's do that. They seem to want to go together. Two pieces of tortilla apple pie with cheese and a couple little All right, guys, what do you think? Tortilla apple pie, 6 minutes with cheese. Let's see how it tastes. Get in my belly. Hot. Mm-hmm. The cheese and the apple is so good with the ice cream. The apples have a wonderful flavor. Cowbell. The tortilla on the bottom is a little bit difficult to cut, but it's you could use it as finger food. If you didn't put ice cream on top, after you cut it, you could pick it up with your fingers and eat it like a tortilla with cheese and apple. Very good. Guys, you want to check it out. 6 minutes, 3 ingredients, and very inexpensive and delicious. Take care. See you out there. So if you put it in your refrigerator and let it get cold, instead of being apple pie, it's more like an apple turnover. And that's good. Three ingredients, 6 minutes.